So students, we are doing chapter 2, acids, bases and salts. In this we are doing salts and we have already completed 3 types of salts. Now we have left with the 2 more salts. So let's begin our topic. So washing soda, that is sodium carbonates. Its chemical name is sodium carbonate and its chemical formula is Na2CO3.10H2O. So when sodium hydrogen carbonate on heating decomposes to give sodium carbonate with the release of hydrogen gas, or you can say that recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. When in sodium carbonate water molecules get added, and that is 10 water molecules, so it will give us washing soda, Na2CO3.10H2O. So where we are now the uses of washing soda, it is mainly used in the glass, soap and paper industries, also used in manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax, and it is also used as a cleaning agent for domestic purposes. We will use this, your mom will use washing soda, or you can say that your washing detergents, all these contain sodium carbonate. So it is also used for removing permanent hardness of water. Now next type of salt is POP, that is plaster of Paris. You are well known aware of this. Its chemical name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate and its chemical formula is CaSO4 dot half H2O, only half molecule of water. How it is prepared? It is prepared by heating gypsum at 373 Kelvin. Now what is gypsum? Gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate. It's 2 molecules of water. When we heat it at 373 Kelvin, it will give POP, plaster of Paris, that is hemihydrate, and plus 1.5 molecules of water will be eliminated. So on heating it loses water molecules and becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrate, which is called plaster of Paris. You are well known about that POP. It is mainly used as plaster for supporting fractured bones, also used for making toys, materials for decoration, in home ceilings, and for making surfaces smooth. You can also see in the picture. Now our last topic is water of crystallization. Now what is water of crystallization? When many salts contain water molecules and are known as hydrated salts. You have seen earlier in salts which we have done, various salts contain water molecules with it. Similarly, you can see in gypsum 2 molecules of water, and in washing soda also. So what are these? These are the water molecules, or you can say that hydrated salts. When water molecules present in salt is known as water of crystallization. Basically, water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. For if we take example of copper sulfate, so it contains 5 hydrated molecules or 5 water molecules. So that hydrated salt of copper sulfate is pentahydrate, CuSO4.5H2O, and it is blue in color. It is in the form of crystals. When we heat that pentahydrate copper sulfate, it will become white in color. As you can see in the picture given, it becomes white, or you can say this anhydrous salt. Now it is not having that water of crystallization. It becomes anhydrous without water, and if we put again water in it, you will see that again its color changes from white to blue. So these when water molecules present in when fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt, we call it as water of crystallization. So this is the first one example of copper sulfate. You have also seen in the gypsum. Gypsum is CaSO4 calcium sulfate dihydrate 2H2O. So on heating it will loses 1.5 and it will form POP. So these are the water of crystallization. Now we have completed our second chapter. You must go through this chapter, whole chapter. If you find any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.